Oh, Carl, I'm a scientist. I have more important things to do than pick up pants.
Oh, but Jimmy, it's easy and it's fun. You know, sometimes I do it for hours. Folding and hanging and... You know, I even made up a song. It's called Folding and Hanging. I could teach it to you.